Welcome to Online Exam Demo. This video would help you to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please read all the instructions carefully and watch this video completely to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please note online exam format. Exam consists of multiple choice, MCQ, questions. There is no negative marking for online exam. Examination link and login credentials will be shared with you prior to the examination via email and SMS. Email and phone number shared by you to the institute will be used for communication. You can directly enter credentials and log in to start online exam as per your respective exam schedule. Username and password remains the same for all exams. Exam has total 50 multiple choice questions. You need to solve any 40 questions. Please note system requirement for online exam. Personal laptop or desktop computer or mobile phone in working condition. You can use either Windows PC or Mac. You can also attempt exam on smartphone with Chrome browser internet connection of at least 512 kilobits per second or more will be the best. Latest Google Chrome internet browser, pre-installed. Please download and be ready. If you are a Mac user, please note following additional instructions. Download Google Chrome.dmg file. Install this application by double-clicking on it. After installation, move Google Chrome to the application folder. Please note important instructions for online test. If any candidate appears for the test through mobile, any phone calls or any other notifications during the test will consider as a warning alert. No one else should be present in the surroundings other than the candidate during the test. It is strictly advised that the candidate does not leave the seat during the test. Such behavior will be immediately recorded as a violation. The student may not use his or her textbook, course notes, or receive help from any other outside source. Students must complete the exam within the time frame allotted for the exam. Students must not stop the session and then return to it. This is especially important in the online environment where the system will time out and not allow the student to re-enter the exam site. Make sure you've turned off all distractions, TV, social media, and all notifications. Very important, students should not switch screen or move out of the exam page. System may terminate your exam and you won't be able to get access to again resume exam. Minimizing browser window may terminate your exam. The system will alert you for the last 15 minutes of the exam duration. No washroom breaks and snack breaks are permitted during the exam. Before the exam, please test your computer or laptop or a smartphone, which you intend to use for taking the exam, to ensure that it is working well, processing speed is good, and the camera and microphone are working perfectly. Do not use the Alt tab, mouse or any other device to shift from the test screen to any other screen, or do not try to open any other application while attempting the test. Doing so may result in discontinuation of the test and it will be considered as null and void. Candidates are requested to disable antivirus updates or Windows updates or any notifications, alerts etc. before the exam because the system will treat this as an alert warning. Please note instructions in case of resuming online exam. If candidates have had to discontinue the test for whatever reason, they are requested to re-log in within stipulated time by using the same login credentials. Candidates can resume the test where they have left, as all the previous details including the exam's remaining time will be saved in the system automatically. System saves all question attempt automatically on a continuous basis. All answer attempt for questions are saved in the system. Even if you are not able to submit exam, system saves all answers, numbers. Best of luck for your online exam. Now let's see demo of online exam system.
You would be provided with an username and password. You need to enter that username and password on the login page and accept terms and condition of the website and ensure that you are not a robot and click on login button to proceed ahead. As soon as you click on login button, name of the test will be shown to you along with start date, exam expiry date, total number of questions associated with test will be shown. You can click on proceed button. As soon as you click on proceed button, your exam name, roll number or your name will be shown. You need to confirm that it is valid and ensure that it is valid and click on confirm button to proceed ahead. As soon as you click on confirm button, online examination instructions will be loaded in front of you. You can read all the instructions properly and click the checkbox that I have read and understood the instructions. Then you can click on button I am ready to begin to proceed ahead for the online exam. Online examination page will be open in front of you, where on the left hand top corner you can see the online exam timer. You need to keep track on this timer. As soon as this timer is going to get elapsed, your online exam will be automatically marked as complete. So you need to ensure that you are attempting the maximum questions within the stipulated time of 60 minutes. Question text along with the answer options will be shown. You can select one of the suitable multiple choice answer option out of 4 answer options, and then you can click on save and next button to move forward to the next question. You can click on previous button to move to the previous question. There is also button available to mark particular question for the review. So mark for review feature is very useful to review particular question at later point of time. Attempted questions will be shown in the green color, not attempted questions will be shown in the gray color. Attempted and mark for review will be shown in the blue color. Not attempted and mark for review will be shown in the purple color, and current question is shown in the red color as shown here. You can attempt all the questions. You can also click on particular button to visit directly question. So right now I am clicking on say 48 question. 48 question will be shown. I can attempt that question. So as soon as you reach to the last question, submit test button will be shown to you. If you click on submit test button, then online test summary will be shown. Total number of attempted questions and total number of not attempted questions will be shown to you. If you are not sure that you have attempted all the questions, then you can click on no button and ensure that you have attempted all the questions. So if you are sure that okay, you have attempted all the questions, then it is advisable to click on submit test button. If you try to open any other window during online examination activity, or if you try to minimize the online exam window like this way, then error or warning message will be shown like please do not switch window while test is in progress. Doing so multiple times will terminate the test. So you need to ensure that while attempting the test you are not allowed to open any other window, or do not click on any notifications like WhatsApp notification, Facebook notification. You need to ensure that all the notifications are switched off while you are attempting the exam. And when you click on submit test button, if you are sure that you have attempted all the questions, then you can click on yes button. As soon as you click on yes button, your online exam will be marked as complete. So this way you can easily attempt your online exam using smartphone, mobile phone or computer or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Best of luck for your online exam.